Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing about document heat map. Now this is one of the concept that comes from information retrieval in SEO, and this serves one of the baseline of the AI driven SEO which we'll be going to be discussing on today's video. So let us first understand what heat map usually refers to. So heat map usually refers to like you can say like a common interaction point or a visual representation circling in warmed up shape or red marking highlighting the areas where there have been most interaction, and this is widely used by a lot of conversion rate optimization specialists to understand in which areas of a particular website people interact the most, so they can easily integrate or they can easily execute any kind of lead magnet or lead capture form into those particular thing. But the question here is, what exactly is document heat map? So the ideology remains the same. So document heat map is usually an hypothetical concept that arrives from modern information retrieval. Now what it does suggest is that document heat map, it actually shows, like if you have a landing page, then it actually shows you in warmed up shape or in dark colored shades that in which areas of that particular landing page the weight ratio of the keywords are higher. In other terms, every single word have its own term frequency versus inverse document frequency, even though term frequency versus inverse document frequency is not a ranking factor. But the point here is that every single word on that particular, every single word has its own weight, and the more the weight there is, there would be a greater chance that the competition value or the search volume of that particular things also would be equally applicable, and that can help you to adjourn your SEO journey accordingly. Okay, so the thing is, just imagine suppose if you are trying to optimize one of the best piece of article and you have done every single optimization. Now if you want to make it more great, what you can do is you can then take a collection of all the landing pages of your top performing competitors against a particular keyword. Let's say for example you are trying to optimize for a particular keyword, and you have taken the top performing landing pages for some of the competitors, and then you can run the document heat map model. Once again, if you want to know how to do that, do get in touch with us. So running that particular thing would give you an output about the highlighted areas in dark shades, about the top weighted keywords or the top weighted terms those have been used on that particular document. And also you can also run the same for your own landing page as well, and then when you compare the same, you can understand what are the words or what are the phrases which is missing from your website versus your competitors one, and then you can make a collection of the words which are missing, and then you can rework with your content team to refurbish the same into something meaningful way, and then you can do a small A/B testing and you can create a better piece of an article. Now how this would help is quite simple. You are really satisfying up to the bottleneck. So you already have a particular highly weighted keywords on your landing page, and you are making it more vast by compacting it with more heavily weighted keywords so that your article can get more attention out on the SERP. But just remember one thing, don't make it over spammy. If you feel like there is a lot of number of words to be added, make sure to adjust the length of the content in such a way so that the entire flow should be natural. This should not look in any way unnatural, because that is something obviously no search engines would ever love. Thanks for watching.